So hello guys, we have another example here. We're asked to find theta in radians. So if cosine 65 degrees plus cosine 55 degrees is equal to cosine theta, you're asked to get theta in radians. So first, you have to get the value of cosine theta. So I have here my calculator, cosine 65 plus your cosine 55, which is given. So that is equal to 0.996. Okay? So bale, this value here, say cosine 0.996 is just equal to cosine theta. So let's just rearrange or write it here na si cosine theta is equal to the answer here, which is equivalent niya ang cosine 65 plus cos 50, which we input na dito sa ating, na-input na natin sa ating calculator. So, ang gagawin natin is we will just take the arc cos of your answer. So, let's get the theta. That's the arc cos of our answer, which is 0.9962. So, we can use our calculator shift. Ayan, cosine. So, arc cos 0.9962. And our answer is 4.996. So, we have a theta, which is 4.99, or let's have it 4 decimal places, so 6.5. Pero sabi niya, dapat in radians. So, we have to convert 4.9965 in radians. So, ang conversion nun is you can use 180 or you can use 360. So, we can also use pi is equal to 180 degrees. So, yung answer natin sa ating calculator, let's multiply that one ng pi. Yan. Tapos, itong 180, over 180. Okay? Ayan siya. So, the answer is, because sabi kasi dito in radians, hindi po in degrees. So, the answer is, ayan, makikita nyo sa calculator, our theta is equal to 0.087, x this, radians. So, yun na po yung ating answer.